welcome to my channel. In this video I will show global version original, brand new top best 3-mode mechanical keyboard with RGB lights on AliExpress, with discount price. Check discount price, and buy from description. Product number 1. Florida ESPORTS FL753 mode mechanical keyboard. The Florida ESPORTS FL753 mode mechanical keyboard is a high-end keyboard designed to meet the needs of gamers and professionals alike. This 83-key keyboard features hot swappable RGB lighting, enabling users to choose from up to 16 million different lighting combinations. The keyboard also includes a configuration driver which allows users to customize their gaming experience, allowing them to create macros, adjust key response times and more. With its durable aluminum construction, the Florida ESPORTS FL753 mode mechanical keyboard is sure to deliver the best performance for years to come. Product number 2. For iPad Air Pro 11 Bluetooth wireless keyboard mouse. This new device is perfect for almost any user. The iPad Air Pro 11 Bluetooth wireless keyboard mouse. Russian, French, Hebrew, Spanish, Korean for Android, iOS, Windows Phone, tablet, offers exceptional value, making it an ideal choice for those looking to purchase a powerful and versatile device. Its Bluetooth capabilities make it easy to pair with a variety of devices, and its intuitive design makes it comfortable to use for long periods of time. The built-in Russian, French, Hebrew, Spanish, and Korean keyboards make communication effortless and efficient, while the integrated mouse allows you to navigate through your apps and documents faster than ever before. All of these features make the iPad Air Pro 11 a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful device that can easily switch between different languages. Product number 3. Keychron K3 DV2 Ultra Slim Wireless Keyboard. If you want to take your device up a notch, the Keychron K3 DV2 Ultra Slim Wireless Mechanical Low Profile Keyboard Optical Hot Swappable Switch White Backlit for Mac Windows is an excellent choice. This keyboard is ultra slim and lightweight, making it highly portable, yet powerful enough to handle your daily tasks. The optical hot swappable switch allows you to customize the keys for your own preferences, and its wireless design makes it easy to use with any device. The white backlit keys allow you to work comfortably in any lighting conditions, while the mechanical low-profile design ensures maximum accuracy and speed when typing. Product number 4. Redragon K617 Fizz 60% Wired RGB Gaming Keyboard. For those looking for a gaming keyboard that can keep up with their fast-paced gaming needs, the Redragon K617 Fizz 60% Wired RGB Gaming Keyboard is an ideal choice. This compact mechanical keyboard features 61 keys and a linear red switch that provides superior accuracy and precision when gaming. Its wired design means no worrying about battery life, and it is small enough to easily take on the go for gaming on the go. The RGB backlit keys allow for working in any lighting condition, while the anti-ghosting technology ensures that all key presses are registered for maximum accuracy. Product number 5. EPOMaker TH80 PRO Keyboard. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard that can do it all from gaming to office work and beyond, the EPOMaker TH80 PRO 75% hot swappable RGB 2.4 GHz Bluetooth 5.0 wired mechanical keyboard is an ideal choice, featuring MD-APBT keycaps and a convenient knob for controlling RGB lighting. This keyboard also offers ANSI and ISO compatibility for international users. With hot swappable switches, you can customize the feel of your keyboard to better suit your personal preferences. In addition, the wireless connectivity means you can set up the keyboard anywhere you need it, without needing to worry about wires. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when if this will be back in stock. You need to go to Top 5 All Best 3-Mode Mechanical Keyboard with RGB Lights 2023 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching.